Most people cannot even go 21 minutes without checking their phone. Follow these few things which I'm going to talk about, and this will entirely change your life. अगले 6 मिनट में I'm going to give you a well laid out structured plan which I call the disappear phase. So if you're just watching this video just for some random motivation, bhai saab, please stop watching. But if you actually want to make a difference in your life and disappear for 21 days, then watch this video till the end. अब लोग पूछते हैं why 21 days? What's so special in this number? Well, numerous studies and neuroscience clearly says that if you want to build a good habit or break any bad habit, all you have to do is just follow that particular thing for 21 days. And that's what I am going to make you do, is disappear for 21 days just by following these 4 simple steps. Alright, now coming to pillar number 1 is the internal contract, which is making promises. Now there's a very famous Chinese way of killing which is known as death by 1,000 cuts. Now let me explain this with my personal story. Right now, I'm shooting this video at 2 a.m. in the morning. I was supposed to shoot this after my duty, but मेरा duty में I had around 3 to 4 deaths. बहुत delays हुआ, and I told my team that we might have to cancel the shoot, so I sent everyone home. Then I called them. I was like, nahi. I promised myself that I'm going to shoot today no matter what, which means we will have to shoot it. And the same thing applies to you. If you promise yourself कि यार कल सुबह 5 बजे उठना है तो मतलब उठना है. If you tell yourself कल मेरे को ये टॉपिक पढ़ना है तो मतलब पढ़ना है. Now you can skip this. You can wake up one day later and start it from the next day. But everything you miss, every day you wake up late, every topic you miss studying is a cut on your body. One cut is harmless, but when these cuts pile up and accumulate, in long term, they will be disastrous. And that's exactly what this Chinese way of killing says about, is one cut may be harmless, it won't be very effectful, but in long term, that will kill you. Now coming to the second part of this pillar is not using the word try. Now, one of my cousins who was recently preparing for some exam came and told me that she will try to get this exam, and if she doesn't clear it, she will do something else. Now, I told her the word try doesn't even exist in my dictionary. It doesn't. क्योंकि when you tell कि यार मैं try करता हूँ, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, that means you're just gonna give half effort. So you either say to yourself, yes, I will do it, or I'm not going to do it. Alright, now coming to pillar number 2 is the social blackout. अब मेरे को पता है कि बहुत लोग सोशल मीडिया यूज़ करते हैं. Even I consume social media, and I'm pretty sure you also consume content from social media. But if you are consuming anything which is not benefiting you, not helping you reach your goal career, then you're wasting time. Now coming to pillar number 3, the lockdown protocol. अब हम सबके पास 24 hours है, and even if you sleep for 8 hours a day, you still have 16 hours in your hand. Now how you're going to utilize this 16 hours depends upon you. Now I divide my day into 4 blocks. Now the first block is something which I called as the power block. Now मेरे दिन में जितने भी सबसे important tasks होते हैं, be it scripting, writing, shooting, studying, or even at the hospital, I get them done early in the morning, because that is the most efficient time. This is followed by the maintenance block. After the power block, your mind is already tired and fatigued. But remember, the work has to be done. काम तो करना पड़ेगा. So now we have to do some work which is less taxing and less tiring. And then is my favorite block, which is the physical block. अब पूरा दिन पढ़ाई करने के बाद या काम करने के बाद, your mind gets exhausted. You feel like scrolling. You feel like watching a movie. That's when you go to the gym, hit the weights, and feel the blood flowing through the body. वापस घर आने के बाद, when you have something healthy, when you have a shake of protein, it just nourishes your soul. You feel good about yourself, and now you can dive straight back into working the next segment. And now I'm doing the finisher block after completing my gym, because my mind is fresh but my body is crumbling from within. Because I know the work has to be done, and that's why I'm shooting this video at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. Now I'm going to give you an example from my favorite inspo, which is Steve Jobs. So whenever he used to be extremely stressed या काम नहीं हो रहा है, he used to enter the monk mode. So monk mode में basically क्या होता है? He used to isolate himself from everyone, distance himself from all the distractions, and then he would get a different level of clarity. And he also explained the concept of noise to signal ratio. So, noise is anything which is pulling you away from your dreams. Signal is anything which is taking you towards your dreams. So, now let's say you're watching a movie or scrolling your phone, that is noise. You're just going away from your dreams. But if you're sitting back, putting in the work, even though it's slow, that is signal. So, always remember your signal to noise ratio should be more than 8:1. So if you have watched this video up till this point, I'm pretty sure you really want to achieve something in your life. So drop a comment, day 0 committed. And every day, just for 21 days, come back to the comment section and just comment what mistakes you've done. I will monitor them and I'll try to help you out. अब जो कुछ मैंने बोला, try to apply it in real life. Take a piece of paper and write, I will achieve XYZ in the next 3 months without giving any excuses, and I will put all my focus into this one thing. Sign it, put today's date and stick it in your wall. एक चीज याद रखना, the world doesn't always have to see your progress. Recall the story of a Chinese bamboo tree. 5 साल तक आपको रोज पानी डालना है, but you can never see the plant growing. But under the soil, it is spreading its roots and getting stronger day by day. And that's the reason after 5 years, in the span of 6 weeks, it can grow to more than 90 feet. Now this correlates very much with me because during my MBBS time, I used to think, यार मैं life में क्या कर रहा हूँ? But deep down inside, I knew one thing, that if I stay disciplined, put in the work on a daily basis, I will achieve something massive. Fast forward 4 years later, I am going back to the same college as a chief guest on their annual function. So disappear for 21 days, believe in yourself, visualize your dreams, and I'll see you at the finish line.